Well, I gotta say thank you to everybody for their support in the last 12 months as we endured the restoration of this 87 Cadillac. It's not done yet, but I've been pretty much inundated with requests to show the paint job. It came out beautifully. The guy is a wonderful painter. I still have to change this one filter, and there's a new roof, and I have to detail the inside, but you can see the reflection of the paint. Like it's a brand new car again. And once I finish with the detailing and put on some more trim, like the Brougham piece goes back on there, but it's came out so nice. And I am going to remove those Cadillac splash guards because they're kind of crooked and old, but the car is going to look stunning when done. And this is just to show you guys the paint job. I know you've been asking to see it and asking, and I don't blame you one bit. I've been very anxious to see the car done too. And I would say now it's just a matter of detailing, shampooing, and the final product would be very close to what you see now, but even nicer. So thank you all so much for, as we waited for this new roof to be put on, as you saw me repair the vinyl roof, the rust that always comes through here, and waiting through COVID and backlog of materials to get the vinyl, and I want me to put the new fillers on. It's just been a wonderful journey, and thank you all for coming with me on the journey. And it's not quite done yet, as I said, but it's coming very close. By the way, the paint job is called Cadillac Light Chestnut Metallic, which is a beautiful paint. And if you want to see the paint code, it's online if you want to paint your car this color. My painter told me a bit of advice though. When you buy these fillers, never use the primer that comes with the filler, because it's very cheap, poor quality primer. So always put a quality primer on it, and then you can spray them and have no problem like we have here. So I'm going to put this trim back on and the Brougham script, but I would say the car is 90% done. But you wanted to see it, so now you saw it, and thank you all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe so I can spread the word about these restoration of these beautiful old Cadillacs. Thank you all again, and I will see you all down the road.